Hey guys, it's Christy and I have another DIY $10 and under cemetery floral birthday arrangement. I did one in my last video and it was so fun. I was so excited that I ran out, got some more supplies, and I want to do another one. So most of these supplies are going to be from Michael's craft store and a couple just from the Dollar Tree. But I will link everything in the description box below of where I got everything and how much I paid for it. So let's jump right in. You're going to need a small cemetery vase with spike. My favorite vase to use is a pool noodle, 2 bunches of flowers, 1 single white rose, some sparkly star accents, a happy birthday to you balloon, and some trusty scissors. We always start with measuring our pool noodle against the vase. So that the noodle slides in the vase easily, we trim down about 2 or 3 of the ridges. Then we take our pool noodle and insert it into our cemetery vase. Here is our finished product. Super easy, super quick, $10 and under, DIY, floral cemetery arrangement. I hope you guys enjoyed.